I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking. I don't think I can wait. I just need it.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today I got a late start. Today is the 18th of January. Right now I have to run to ULTA because I have a wedding coming up and I have to make sure I have all of my necessities. As you guys know, you guys have been watching my moving vlog, so I hope you guys are enjoying that. I really hope it turns out the way that I want it to turn out. I've been trying to like get as many clips as I can without boring you guys. I do have to go to another viewing of an apartment, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I just got, girl, I have been so busy, okay? Like, this is why I don't like moving. I really don't. I hate moving because it takes so much. You gotta do so much. Like, it just be so extra. Like, oh, just hoping everything plays out. I get everything. No, you know, not that I hope. Everything is gonna go through, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's head on into ULTA and yeah, let's be out.
Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby.
Hey everybody, afternoon. My name is Kendra. If this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe. Your girl is trying out a black owned restaurant over here in Atlanta, and I wanted to make sure to bring you guys along with me because I feel like we should try something else, and it's black owned. Now listen, when I say black owned, I do not need you guys to sit here and be like, oh no, I want to try it. Let's come on, y'all. Let's support our people. Okay, don't go in there with the idea of, oh, they're gonna be rude, they're gonna be mean. Like, please don't come in there with that energy, okay? Because we about to go together and we about to see what it's given, okay? So we're gonna go in, we're gonna try it. I'm like maybe 5 minutes away, so we're gonna pull up on them and see what it's given, because I just so happened to see this place the other day, and when I tell you, like, I'm like, I didn't even know this place was here. I've never even seen them on TikTok, nothing. I'm gonna go on TikTok and really see if they're on there or somebody has done a review with them. I'm not sure, but yeah. We're gonna
pour it in my cup, pour it in my cup, pour it in my cup. I want to drink the Casamigos. Pour it in my cup, pour it in my cup. Pour it in my cup. I want to drink the Casamigos. Casamigos.
Hey y'all. So as you guys just seen, I'm so upset because I feel like they're not getting enough traction in this place, and it is insane. Okay, the smell from the inside, you can tell they do liquor. They have a side where there's a bar in there. Tell like they do like mimosas, drinks, all that type of stuff. The foods, like, they're named after a whole lot of different places. Like the food, the one that I got, it was called Uptown Gworl or something like that. It's like waffles with like strawberries and all type of stuff, and I feel like the pricing decent. Like, it's not expensive, it's not too much, blah blah blah. I should have told her to let me eat inside, because so I could really give you guys like the real feel of the food, because y'all, it was there were like 2 or 3 couples in there, and I looked at their plate when they brought them out. Y'all, Yo, the way they plate their food, oh my gosh. Yo, when I tell you guys the pricing is just mwah, chef's kiss with the price. Like, it's a whole vibe in there. And you know what's so crazy? The staff, sweet. Okay, so sweet. You know how we always get this stigma, this status that, you know, us as black people are just so rude. The customer service is so bad, it's so this, it's so that. Nah, not by any means. Sometimes I really wish I had way more following because, yo, amazing. Okay, if you are in the ATL or surrounding areas, like, you should definitely go try out her restaurant. It is called, I don't know if I'm doing the pronunciation right, but it's either Augie's Breakfast Bar. I really hope I'm not like messing up this lady's name. It's Augie's Breakfast Bar. Let me see if you guys can see it. Let's hope it let me see if it will do it. See, Augie's Breakfast Bar. Y'all, I am going home because I need to do some more packing and everything like that. So I'm gonna meet you guys at the house, okay? I'll stop. Hey everybody, so I'm about to try the food, tell you guys what it's given, and yeah, let's just see. So let's see. Okay, and they gave me the icing for it as well. So, and I put the syrup on there. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so wait, it's in there. Oh, it's in too. Okay, y'all. So, the waffle is given, but one thing I didn't know, the strawberries are on the inside as well. They're on the inside of it. So, you're not just getting strawberries at the top, you're getting them actually in the waffle as well. So, oh, so they wasn't stingy. They was not stingy with these strawberries at all. So that's really good. Let's see. With the peppers and everything. So these are very well seasoned. I like the taste, I like the flavor, I like everything. The only thing is, I probably would have made it a little softer. They're a little bit harder than what I prefer. I mean, other people are different, but I probably would have went a little softer on the potatoes because I really do love potatoes, and they taste really, really good. And they have a lot of green peppers in here and everything, and it's seasoned to perfection, so that's good. Let's see the turkey bacon. Let's see what it's giving. Oh, this is the cured bacon. Okay, so it's thick. Automatically good. I ain't gonna hold you. It's nice, chewy. It doesn't taste like rubber. It's a nice cured bacon. It's real thick. Tastes real good. It's not too limp. Alright. For all of this, I think I paid like $24. $24 for all of this. Amazing. Okay, it's real good. And then I got my lemonade. Now, don't come for me. They ran out of the to-go cups. So she was like, listen, this is the only to-go cup that I have. So I was like, nah, that's fine. Just put it in here. You feel me? That was good. And they put their own lemon in there. It's homemade. It's not like Minute Maid or nothing. This is a homemade lemonade. And then they have different flavors. Because she asked me if I wanted strawberry or peach or regular. So that's given. So they did real good with that. So with me, I give them a 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. I hope you guys go out and try them. And go support a black business, baby.
Take up some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. key. I want every little bit. I ain't never seen a drip like this. Heaven at my fingertips. Let's not let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste.